Hey, what's going on? So, if you watched my last video, I had bought, classic Puma suedes. So this is my Pumas with, the lace swap, the fat white laces. Not sure how I feel about it. I might keep these in, I might not. The white, I really don't want these to pop like that. I like them to be a little more low key, so I might put the regular laces, black laces back in, or I might get some black fat laces to put in. So we'll see. So I got my right shoe. Now I got my lace straight across, and I got the left shoe lace crisscross. And you've seen from my other videos, I like wearing Dickies. I like how Dickies lay, especially on shoes like Pumas, like low top. So let me know what you think in the comments. Should I keep the white fat laces? Should I get some black fat laces, or should I just go back to the thin black ones?